In the previous video, we talked about the mysterious being that was featured in the Mexico UAP hearing a few days ago. This story now takes us to Republic of Chile, just a bit south of Mexico, and we will discuss the mysterious mummy of a girl from the Atacama Desert. Greetings and welcome to the Global UFO channel. I would like to ask you, if you enjoy the channel's content, please hit that like button and subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything, and it supports us in continuing our work. Without further ado, let's get into the main topic of this video. The mummy of an 8-year-old girl found in the Atacama Desert in 2003, named Ata by scientists, has baffled the scientific world. This mummy measures 15.2 centimeters in length. Initially, many scientists speculated that it might be a prematurely born child or a fetal miscarriage, while others dismissed the entire case as a hoax. The size of the mummy wasn't the only thing that astonished scientists. Due to numerous skeletal deformities, many experts couldn't determine if the skeleton even belonged to a human. The mummy was in the possession of a private collector until 2009, when it was first publicly displayed at a symposium in Barcelona in the fall of 2012. Scientists were given the opportunity to study the Atacama mummy, and what they found was remarkable. They immediately conducted X-ray and magnetic resonance analyses, as well as genetic testing. What shocked them first was that the mummy was definitely not a fetus. In case you were wondering, the images are real, and this case is not a hoax or fabrication. Scientists soon discovered that it was a female who died between the ages of 6 and 8. Instead of the 12 ribs found in every normal human being, she had 9. Her skull had a conical shape, and the narrowed cranial and jaw bones had no connection to any known disease or deformity. In medical textbooks, Jerry Nolan, the leader of the Stanford team that studied the mummy, was the first to publicly release the DNA analysis. It was determined that the mummy was definitely of human origin. 91% of the genome consisted of human genes, but 9% was a complete mystery. Mitochondrial DNA was found, which is inherited from the mother's side, indicating that the mother of this child lived near the site where the mummy was found. Another well-known figure in this story is Dr. Stephen Greer, who was an investigator and co-producer of the 2003 documentary, Sirius, which explores hypotheses about extraterrestrial life. One of the topics in the documentary is the Atacama mummy, which suggests that we may have finally found evidence of extraterrestrial life. Although 91% of the mummy's genes are of human origin, we must not forget that Neanderthals had 99.9% human DNA, and chimpanzees have up to 97% human DNA. Therefore, we really need to wonder what this being is. It's interesting to note that this is not the only such discovery. There are several other intriguing cases from South America, as well as an interesting find in Russia, a miniature being they called Alashinka. But that's a topic for another video. Further tests are still being conducted on the Atacama mummy. What results and conclusions they will yield, we may find out soon. Many scientists are cautious about this case and will only discuss it anonymously, fearing ridicule from their colleagues. What are your thoughts on all of this? Please let me know in the comments below. You are on the Global UFO channel. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you soon in another intriguing story. Goodbye.